So as you just seen there, so I caught a Galarian Moltres, my second one. What's amazing is it was my first encounter. Even better than that, surprisingly. My second one, as you've seen, even better than that. And I will give evidence to this claim. I've caught all three of the birds. Now, I caught the third one that I needed was Galarian Zapdos. I caught that last month. So I've already completed the trio in the shiny forms, in the normal forms as well. Now I've got 4. I don't want to get too cocky here, but is there anyone else in the world that has that? Can claim that? Is there anyone else in the world that's got all 3 already, or got it before me? Because I'm not too sure. I don't even know if it's the first in Europe. I know that, as far as I'm aware, I'm possibly the first person in the UK. Definitely the first person in my Discord channel, where I'm from in the UK. I'm on the Discord channel. I've put it in there, and nobody else. I think there might be one person who has 2. Vaguely remember. I don't know exactly, but I think someone does have 2. Pardon, but no one's anywhere near 3. Now, this isn't like sort being, oh, I'm the best. It's just to be like, what, like, get a bit of info. Was I the first person? Because I want to know. And like, see what anyone else has, because I'm not a massive Pokemon Go player. There is days where I do bash it, I will admit, but nowhere near to the extent as some people do. I would say I'm probably a mediocre player. I would, if that's the right word. There is days where I'm on it for a couple of hours to and from work, but I haven't really played that much lately. But yeah, so back to the main purpose of the video. Got all 3. I got them within, I think, just over a year. I got the Articuno first. That was not long. That was not long after they got released. And then I think it was, when did I get the Moltres? The Moltres was April or May, I think. I think it might have been April. And then, like I said, I got the Zapdos early June. Now, I was just baffled. I'm still baffled to this day. I wasn't really expecting to get another one for a long time. But what was surprising to me is I haven't really played that much in the last couple of weeks, since GoFest. Because I've hit level 50, and I just kind of want to take a little break, because I bashed it before to get to level 50. Because I was stuck at level 49 for a while. I was stuck in the tasks, and I don't really go to trade much, and I thought, I want to get level 50 to see where I progress in the game, and to see how much I want to play it. So I've done it, hit level 50, and I've stepped back a bit. Now, that was the first incense I used in 2 weeks or something. I mean, I don't always, when I use the incense, I don't always go and click on every encounter. Sometimes I miss it. I'll have my phone in my pocket for a couple of minutes. If I'm on the bus, if I'm to and from work. Sometimes I don't always get the full half an hour. Sometimes it's only like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Usually I'll do it to and from on the school run. Or there's some days where I don't even use it. However, some days I don't even use it. But however, it was the first time I used it, I think, properly in about 3 weeks, where I thought, well, 2 or 3 weeks, where I thought, I need to start getting back into the game. Not play a lot, but like with the instance, I put it on and I thought, so I just want to see what people are saying. If anyone wants a message, just drop us one. But yeah, still can't believe it. Don't need any money from this. Don't need any fame. I just want to know. I mean, not loads of fame. I would like to know if I'm the second, third, or fourth person, possibly the first person to get at least 4 or even 3 to complete the trio. So yeah, just if you want to know anything, I mean, this might get nowhere, might not hit anyone, or no one might even see it. I could just be targeting myself. Could just be talking to a camera and no one might see this in the next 5 years. So, yeah, if you need to know anything, or if you want to message us, drop us a message. But I will be putting the proof after this. Bye.